I'm working really hard to make these fun videos for you, so please support me by subscribing to my channel. Hello, little scientists. Let's play a super fun game, sink or float. Are you ready to guess? Here's our big splashy tub of water. Up, the big yellow duck. Do you think it will sink or float? Splash! It's floating like a boat. Yay! Now let's try TWO mini yellow ducks. Will they float too? Yes! They're floating together. Quack, quack fun. Here comes some multi-shaped toys, circles, squares, and triangles float or sink. They're floating too. Shape party on the water. Super cool sports car. It looks fast, but will it float? Splash! Oh no, sank right to the bottom. Let's try to plastic spoons. They're light. Surprise! They both sank. Now here comes one metal spoon. Let's drop it in. Splash! It sank fast. That was heavy. This is a big yellow strainer. Has hold. Yummy toy vegetables are next. Float or sink? They're floating. Some magnetic alphabet letters. Splash! Wow, they're floating and learning. Now, a fun surprise. Red and white paint colors. They're floating too. So surprising, I tried again. And guess what? Here comes some colorful blocks. Will they float or sink? Float City. They're bobbing up and down. And last, the rainbow color rings. Are they heavy enough to sink? Nope. They're floating like donuts in a pool. Splashy down. Let's remember, light things usually float. Heavy things mostly sink. And sometimes, toys surprise us. You're doing amazing, little scientists. Give us a thumbs up if you had fun today, and don't forget to subscribe for more learning with Kiddies Kingdom. Bye-bye.